Hello, guys. Today we are going to talk about the steps of muscle contraction, starting from the generation of action potential to the relaxation of the muscle. And we're also going to talk about the different types of fibers that are in our muscles as well. So, the muscle contraction begins with the generation of an action potential in the motor neuron, which travels down to the neuromuscular junction where acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter, is released into the synaptic cleft. Acetylcholine binds to the receptor on the muscle fiber's membrane, causing depolarization and leading to an action potential within the muscle cell itself. This electrical signal then moves along to the muscular sarcolemma, also the membrane, and down structures called T-tubules, which trigger the release of calcium ions from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, also known as the storage center, within the muscle cell. Calcium ions play a critical role by binding to the protein called troponin on the actin filaments, which are the thin ones of the muscle. This binding causes another protein, tropomyosin, to shift and expose binding sites on actin, allowing the myosin heads, the thick filaments, to latch into these sites. This begins the cross-bridge cycle. Myosin heads attach to actin, perform a power stroke that slides the filaments past each other, and then release and reattach as long as calcium and ATP are present, leading to muscle shortening and contractions. When the signal from neuron ends, calcium ions are actively pumped back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum, causing troponin and tropomyosin to return to their resting position, covering the binding sites on actin and leading to muscle relaxation. Human muscles are composed of three main fiber types, each suited for different activities. Type 1, slow fibers, are aerobic metabolism and resistant to fatigue. There are more for long distance running. Type 2 fibers, also known as fast switching oxidative, also use both aerobic and anaerobic, allowing them to provide more power and speed than slow twitch. They are more commonly engaged in middle distance running though. Type 2 fibers, or fast switch glycolic fibers, fatigue quickly and rely on anaerobic metabolism. These deliver short bursts of high power, making them ideal for explosive movements like sprinting or heavy lifting. Each fiber plays their unique roles in muscle performance, enabling the body to adapt a wide range of physical demands, from endurance to high intensity.